Leigh Farnell here, and this is Leading Your Best Life. And here we want to talk about context, process, order, step by step, the order in which you do things makes all the difference. Stay tuned. Well, what I'm looking at here is a friend, a colleague, has just sent me through a proposal document, an agreement document that it looks like he has sent it through to the client, to the prospect, before having a full, detailed, face-to-face discussion. And it's funny, you only know when people break rules that's an important rule. And the rule in sales, in business, is this. 1, you should never send anything to anyone in writing, particularly when it includes money and numbers, that you haven't already discussed face-to-face or at least over Zoom beforehand. In other words, what is in writing should be only confirming what you have agreed verbally beforehand. In other words, there shouldn't be any surprises in the document. The document should just confirm the conversation. I'll say it again. The document should just confirm the conversation. There shouldn't be anything surprising in the document. The confused mind always says no. You see, in the area of NLP, we talk process and content, process and content. The content might be the agreement or the deal or the price or what's in the proposal. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do a survey, I'm going to do a massage, I'm going to take your people for a run around the block. Whatever it is you're going to do, I'm going to write a contract for you, or I'm going to build a wall, I'm going to build a building, whatever it is. But it all should be discussed. And the thing about it is this, in terms of process, is the mind consumes information and digests it chunk by chunk, or think of it as a meal, course by course. If you're actually dumping entree, appetizer, main course and dessert on the prospect and they haven't even asked for those dishes, well, you're setting yourself up for rejection. You're setting yourself up for failure. The other side of it is this. We say prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. Prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. What do I mean by that? Well, there's two things. 1, when you are having a needs discovery conversation with the prospect, not only are you discovering their needs, but more importantly, you're helping them agree that they have those needs. You want them articulating their needs. You are activating the principle of consistency and commitment, which is from Cialdini's book on influence, that when those words come out of the mouth of the prospect, they mean far more to them than you telling them or taking what they've said and extrapolating. You want to get them verbally agreeing so that they go, yes, that's what I want. Or more to the point, when you do these high quality needs discoveries, what happens is the prospect goes, wow, I didn't even realize I had that problem. You're right, I didn't realize I needed to do that. And you co-create the methodology together. Let me say that again. You co-create the methodology together. You don't surprise them with the methodology in a written document. The written document doesn't sell, the written document confuses. I'll say that again. The written document doesn't sell, the written document confuses. Unless, of course, you're a fantastic copywriter and you understand emotional direct response copywriting, which 99.999% of proposal writers do not understand the power of emotional direct response copywriting. They think they're at university. They think they're doing an assignment. They don't make it hard for the client to buy from you. So this is part of the conversation I'm going to be having with this colleague tomorrow, because context, the order in which he has done things, is wrong. Yes, that proposal or that agreement may be perfect after you've had a conversation where the prospect has agreed, yes, I want this, yes, I want option 1, yes, I'm interested in option 2, yeah, I want that. You co-create it. Don't drop a bomb on them and try to cut corners and wonder why you don't get the deal. This is a sheep shepherding process. You are shepherding the process. Shepherding the process. Don't try and go too fast and then wonder why you don't get the business. You want help with this? Following the right order, the right context, process. Use the right process, get the right result. Use the wrong process, get the result that you don't want. That is not business. We want to win this, not lose it. Whether you're playing football, follow the process. Whether you're selling a $100 product or whether you're selling a $100 million product, follow the right process. Follow the right process, get the right result. Want help with this? Talk to me. Leigh Farnell Best Business, and PDC. We've got over 47 different experts to help you. No matter what your problem in business, we've got the best people at the one-stop shop to solve your business growth problems, your performance optimization problems. Be you business, be you government, be you semi-government, be you charity, be you a sporting team, talk to us about performance. That's what we're called, performance development consultants. See you next time. Thanks for listening.